Hi Ed, I just wanted to jump in quickly to give you a big shout out. I joined COA less than 3 weeks ago and I've been going progressively through the training videos. I can't believe how much insight that confidence and competence that I've gained over like less than 3 weeks. I've been taking massive action. I feel that I've progressed like so much, and you share so many tips and techniques that I feel that I'm polishing up so many different areas of my coaching program. I've been coaching for 3 years now, and I feel that I'm just in that right place at the right time to get, to really up level myself and my program. And I'm just absolutely amazed, and I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for everything that you share. It's obvious that you invest and you put in so much, you've put in so much time and energy and money into what you do. And I feel so privileged that I'm on this journey, subhanallah. I've got like a really clear overview of my next steps, and it's not overwhelming. Like nothing has overwhelmed me, because the training videos are like step by step. I can pause and play and take action, and it's just been brilliant so far. So I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm so glad to be here. I feel really confident. I've just got off a sales call as well, and I felt that I showed up so differently than what I normally do. And it's that thing about like my service is going to help her get the results that she wants, and having that confidence to not be worried about how much I charge. It's just numbers at the end of the day. And I did express the cost of inaction, and so many different tips that actually came out during that sales call. So yeah, inshallah, I am progressing, and I just love it. So thank you very much. Okay, thank you, bye.